They said the Defender was untouchable, that it couldn't be downsized without losing its soul. But in 2026, Land Rover proved everyone wrong, introducing the 2026 Land Rover Baby Defender EV, the heritage of the legend. Reimagined for the future, compact, capable, and 100% electric. Yes, it's smaller, but don't call it cute. This baby bites. As the EV revolution surges forward, Land Rover needed something bold, something that could introduce the Defender name to a new generation. Younger drivers, city dwellers, eco-conscious adventurers. Enter the Baby Defender. Smaller footprint, zero emissions, same rugged DNA. At first glance, it's unmistakably a Defender. Boxy, muscular, built for abuse. But look closer, and you'll see a new design language taking shape. Shorter overhangs, chunky tires, minimalist grille. It's the Defender's Gen Z cousin. Smarter, lighter, and somehow cooler. Inside, the Baby Defender EV is less bare-bones off-roader and more urban explorer with style. Vegan materials, clean lines, and Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro infotainment. You can wash the floors and wirelessly charge your phone, which feels oddly poetic. Land Rover hasn't released final specs yet, but here's what we know. Dual motor AWD instant torque, and a projected range between 240 to 280 miles. That's enough for daily commutes, weekend trails, and everything in between. But how does it drive? Is it worthy of the Defender name? Stay with me. Fast charging capabilities up to 150 kilowatts mean you'll be back on the road in under 30 minutes. And with over-the-air updates, this EV gets smarter over time. Plus, every unit is built with sustainable materials and renewable energy. It's not just built for the Earth, it's built with the Earth in mind. This isn't a full-size Defender trying to fit in a Whole Foods parking lot. It's compact, nimble, and quiet. The perfect EV for urbanites with a wild side. And with cameras everywhere and an ultra-tight turning circle, it's basically a luxury golf cart with attitude. Worried they sacrifice performance? Don't be. The Baby Defender can still wade through water, climb steep inclines, and laugh at rough terrain, all in near silence. And wait until you see what it does with Land Rover's Terrain Response 2 system. From adaptive cruise to wireless Apple CarPlay and AI-based navigation, the tech inside this EV doesn't just support your journey, it anticipates it. Need to find a charging station? It already did. Lost cell service on a trail? The car remembered the map. In a world of generic compact EVs, the Baby Defender is different. It has character, legacy, and, unlike some of its rivals, it actually looks like it can handle a dirt road. Volvo may sip oat milk, but the Defender, it drinks straight from the stream. Expected to start just under $50,000, it's not cheap. But for a Land Rover with this capability and zero tailpipe emissions, it might just be the smartest move they've made. But there's one more thing Land Rover hasn't told us yet. The Baby Defender is just the beginning. By 2030, Land Rover aims to be fully electric. And with models like this, that future doesn't feel distant. It feels inevitable. Land Rover is clearly aiming for a younger, wider audience. And this EV will be sold globally, making it one of their most important vehicles ever. Land Rover is streamlining EV ownership with app-based diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and even on-demand upgrades. Yes, your car might ask you to install updates like it's an iPhone. Welcome to 2026. The 2026 Baby Defender EV proves that smaller doesn't mean weaker, and electric doesn't mean boring. It's the new face of Land Rover, and maybe your next adventure companion. But here's the question no one's asking. Can the Baby Defender outshine its older brother in the long run? That's a story still being written. Before you go, if you thought the Baby Defender was impressive, wait till you see what Skoda's cooked up. The 2026 Karoq just dropped, and it's making big moves in the compact SUV world. Click now to watch the full reveal. Because the future of driving, it's not coming. It's already here.